Tired of wrestling with manual file uploads and dreaming of a seamless, automated Google Drive integration for your web application? In this video, we're diving headfirst into how to programmatically upload files to Google Drive using PHP first. You'll need a Google Cloud project with the Google Drive API enabled. Head over to the Google Cloud console, create a new project, or select an existing one once you're in your project. Search for Google Drive API in the API library and enable it. Next, setting up your credentials. Navigate to the Credentials section in the Google Cloud console. Create an Auth client ID. Select Web Application as the application type, and configure the authorized redirect URLs. This is crucial for handling the authentication flow. Download the credentials as a JSON file. You'll need this later. Now, let's structure our PHP project. Create a directory for your project, and within it, you'll need at least 3 files: an index for your main application logic, an upload to handle the file uploading, and, importantly, place your downloaded credentials and file in this directory. Before we start coding, we need to install the Google API Client library for PHP using Composer. Run Composer require Google API, and this will download and install all the necessary dependencies to interact with the Google Drive API. Within your PHP code, you'll need to authenticate with the Google Drive API. Use the credentials from your downloaded JSON and file to create a Google Client object. Then, set the required scopes, which include Google_service_drive editor for full access to Drive. Finally, instantiate the Google Drive service object. This is your gateway to interacting with Google Drive. Now, let's write the code to actually upload the file. Construct a Google_service_drive_drive file object, setting metadata like the file name and description. Then, use the file's create method to upload the file, passing in the file object and any required options like upload type equals multipart. And that's it. With these steps, you can now programmatically upload files to Google Drive using PHP. This opens up a world of possibilities for automating your storage and management needs. Happy coding!